Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Monday, February 3rd, 2025. Polygon's Agglayer activates pessimistic proofs on mainnet. The Ethereum Foundation launches a Petra proactive grant round. Ethereum's gas limit hits 32 million gas per block, and the price of ETH drops below $3,000. All this and more starts right now. Agglayer version 0.2 is now live on mainnet, introducing Pessimistic Proofs, a new type of zero-knowledge proof that is designed to safeguard the Agglayer from potential vulnerabilities on any individual chain while supporting different security models. Pessimistic proofs assume that all connected chains may be unreliable. The Agglayer is a network of chains connected to Ethereum through a shared bridge contract with unified liquidity. Looking ahead, Polygon is developing Agglayer version 3, which will introduce multi-stack support, allowing even chains without ZK execution proofs to integrate seamlessly into the Agglayer ecosystem. The Ethereum Foundation launched the Petra Proactive Grant Round, a new funding initiative with a $200,000 grant pool aimed at strengthening tooling, infrastructure, and overall ecosystem readiness ahead of the Petra upgrade. By supporting proactive development, the program seeks to prevent delays in rolling out the Petra upgrade. Grant proposals can focus on core protocol support, tooling and infrastructure development, testing and security enhancements, and adoption and impact analysis. To be eligible for a grant, projects must be open source, operate under a free and permissive license, and align with Petra's goals and priorities. Proposals are due by February 23rd, with grant winners selected in March of this year. According to data from crypto researcher Data Always, Ethereum's block gas limit has surpassed 32 million gas per block. Evan Van Ness noted that this marks the first increase under proof-of-stake consensus, with the last adjustment occurring in August of 2021 when the limit was doubled from 15 million to 30 million gas per block. The increase comes as more than 50% of validators now signal support for a gas limit above 30 million. Raising the block gas limit enables higher transaction throughput and allows developers to build more complex applications, as each block can now hold more data. The adjustment does not require a hard fork. The block gas limit is expected to continue rising towards the current 36 million gas target. And lastly, over the weekend, the price of ETH plunged by over 20%, reaching lows of about $2,100 on some exchanges. The decline coincided with the introduction of new U.S. tariffs on imports from Canada, Mexico, and China. Amid the turmoil, Aave alone processed over $200 million in liquidations. Bybit CEO Ben Zhao estimated that total crypto market liquidations were close to $8 billion, reporting that Bybit alone accounted for $2.1 billion in liquidations. Since then, the market has partially recovered, with ETH currently trading at around $2,800 at the time of recording. In other news, Lido now supports STETH on Sonium. The Department of Justice indicts the Kyber exploiter. Trump orders a sovereign wealth fund, and Sablier now supports instant airdrops. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.